Ready to make our kitchen counter cleaner? Here's what you need. 1 cup water, 1 cup white vinegar, a lemon, a sprig of rosemary, and a spray bottle. First, pour 1 cup of water into your spray bottle. Now, add 1 cup of white vinegar. It's a powerful natural cleaner. Next, peel your lemon. We'll use the rind for its cleaning properties and fresh scent. Add the lemon rind to your bottle. It gives a natural, fresh aroma. And now, a sprig of rosemary for that herbal touch and extra cleaning power. Let your cleaner sit for a week. It'll infuse with all those lovely natural scents and cleaning properties. A week later, your cleaner is ready. Spray and wipe your counters to see them shine. Wow, we've done it! We've made our homes sparkle with all natural homemade cleaners. Thanks for joining us on this green cleaning journey. If you love these DIY cleaning tips, remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the joy of natural cleaning with cheap, effective ingredients. We'd love to hear how these cleaners worked for you. Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. Thanks again for watching. Keep living clean and green, and we'll see you in the next one.